Here's the problem. You've got a bed or maybe a second bed, but you don't want to deal with a bulky box spring. Here's the fix. Just use this Amazon platform bed, toss on your mattress, and you're good. When I was reading reviews about this platform bed, one of the things that everyone was raving about was the setup. They loved the setup. It was wild. You literally just unfold the frame, twist in 2 bolts with your hands, and that's it. When it comes time to put the hardware on, there are 2 spots, one at each end. So it's starting to shape up nicely now. That's what it looks like. No tools required. There the bed is fully assembled. It couldn't have been more easy. I also like to look and see if anyone's annoyed about anything about this product. You can see the legs have these little plastic caps. Some people said if you have smooth floors, it might slide around a bit. I put my bed frame on an area rug. That's not going to be an issue with me. Is it worth it? Well, for the money, heck yeah. You don't need a box spring, and it literally takes about a minute to set up. And it's high quality. Just get it. I recommend this as a buy.